Hey everyone, hope you're all doing well. I am going to introduce you guys today into a really cool little project we're going to do. It's been something that's been in my family since brand new. You guys are going to get to see us restore it as we go through its little journey here. So without further ado, here we go. A lot of you guys know I do a lot with Corvettes. This is my dad's 72 Corvette. We're almost fully done with it. We're pretty much moved on now. This is the next project, and this is something that's really near and dear to my heart because this is like an old friend or a family member. This little 1971 Honda Z50 Mini Trail has been in the family since new. My dad got this brand new. We still have all the original paperwork, the original keys, everything to this bike. He learned how to ride on this, then my aunt learned how to ride on this, then it sat for about 15 years in the family horse barn in a stall pretty much by itself, collecting dust. And when I was 4, they drug it out. We have video, which I'll get and put into a video for you guys to see later. When it was drug out, it was kick-started twice and the thing fired right up. Now that's what I learned how to ride on. It's sat for 15 more years just because life gets busy. This little guy is, as you see it right now, it's covered in everything. Dust, dirt, spiders. There's, I think, some bird crap on it somewhere. We had the seat recovered when I was a kid because it was all tore up. But now it's time to get fully restored, and the reason is 1, it deserves it. 2, I'm going to buy a brand new Honda monkey bike or mini trail, depending on what the rumors say to be true, for 2021. So these guys are 50 years apart, and then they're going to go on display together, and this thing is never going to be neglected again. It's just such an awesome little bike. You guys see it as is. I'm going to try and clean it up here, and we'll see what we got to work with. This whole thing is just filthy, man. Filthy. Got the hose out. I got a bucket full of hot Dawn dish soap. Let you guys know in just a few how this thing comes out. See what we got to work with. Okay guys, we just got done washing this thing. I scrubbed it down with an SOS pad in some spots and sponge in others. This fender was replaced years ago, probably about 18, 19 years ago. And I thought I'd be able to save it, but it's just pitted so bad in the back that it's going to have to be re-chromed. I'm going to have it done. The rear one's always been rusted as far as I've known it. I'm going to have to put new handlebars on. I know the one's bent. The headlight bucket has a dent in it up top. There are a couple little dings in the tank, but the tank is rust free. So we're going to fix the tank up, paint it. Of course, it is more like a candy orange right now that you probably can't see, instead of a candy red. The frame was the big one. That was kind of the determination as to whether we were going to go all the way down on this bike or if we were going to be able to clean everything up really, really good. But there's a lot of spots in the frame that I thought were just dirt, and it's just peeled away paint. So we're going to go all the way around. Going to order this. This is the new tail light holder. The exhaust actually is in really good shape, which is good because that's $400. The buddy pegs are still good. The gas cap I'll get new just because I'm going to redo the tank. Same with the emblems. But you can see all this. I got all the spiders and crap off of it. This is what we're working with. This is the start. It is not running right now. It's got a ton of compression, but it's sat for about 15 years. So it really needs some love, and it's going to get it finally. So that's it. This is what she looks like so far. Thanks for watching, guys. There'll be a lot more on this little bike. You guys will get to see it basically go down to the frame and get painted and everything, and then I'll also show it when we get the monkey bike that's going to go next to it. So it's going to be cool. See ya.